Okay, guys, gonna share my screen with you. Let me know when you see my screen. Hopefully, you guys can see the screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now, so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. Uh, I am from Mumbai, India. I have somewhere around 14 years um, of practical IT experience. I am a BSc IT graduate. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University, and after completing the graduation, I started working in um, IT organizations. So I have worked on various technologies, especially on SCCM and Intune. So I have worked in level 1, level 2, level 3 team. Now I am working as architect. So my primary roles and responsibility is to implement technologies in organizations. I have implemented various technologies in organization. So that's my primary roles and responsibility, guys. Apart from my day-to-day activity, uh, I'm involved in training, wherein I have trained more than uh, 30,000 30,000 students globally. Okay. I am taking classroom training, online training, offline training, corporate training. So that's my training, uh, you know, method, how I take trainings. So I teach SCCM mostly, um, SCCM and Intune. I used to teach application packaging, Azure, um, and other Active Directory, other technologies, but now I am focusing only on these two technologies, SCCM and Intune. Now, in this session, I'm going to talk about Intune briefly, okay, because it's a demo session. Uh, we will discuss about Intune, okay. Um, so I will let you know about the historical background of Intune and what all things you can do through Intune, license requirement, architectural diagram, and all. So it's going to be a short session, not a lengthy session. Okay. So Intune is a Microsoft product. Intune is a Microsoft product. I hope you all know about Intune. Intune is uh, released in the market in the year 2010. Okay, by Microsoft. Microsoft developed this product and they started implementing this product in organizations in 2010. So it was available in the market from 2010. So what is the main feature of Intune? What all things you can do through Intune? So there are two basic functionalities of Intune. First, MDM, mobile device management. Second, MAM, mobile application management. You can manage mobile devices and mobile applications. Now, what all mobile devices you can manage? You can manage Android operating system, Android. You can manage iOS. You can manage Windows operating system like Windows 10, Windows 11, laptops, or you can also manage Windows phones, right? Android operating system, iOS, Windows. You can manage Linux operating system. Okay. You can manage uh, Mac operating system, MacBooks. Okay. So these are the operating systems which you can manage through Intune. Now, what do you mean by manage? Manage means you can control those devices remotely or over the internet. You can send policies, you can send compliance policies, configuration profiles, you can deploy applications, you can deploy updates to these devices. You can remotely wipe these devices, remotely reset password, send notification, lock the devices. You can send policies to the devices. That is called management. So these are the operating systems which you can manage from Intune. Now, the second functionality of this tool is mobile application management. So you can manage mobile apps, mobile applications. So various application you can manage. For example, you can manage Office 365. Okay. Other applications you can manage how application will open, you know, what will be the authentication process, will it go for multi-factor authentication or not, so how the application will be secured. So there are various things which you can do through Intune in mobile application management. Now, like Intune, there are Intune competitors. Intune competitors. Okay. So for example, Intune competitors are Workspace ONE. Previously, we used to call it as AirWatch. So either you call it as AirWatch or Workspace ONE, it's one and the same thing. Zen Mobile from Citrix. Workspace ONE is from VMware. Zen Mobile is from Citrix. Okay. Then we have Goods, Tanium. Then we have Mobile Iron. Okay. Mobile Iron. Then there are other competitors of Intune, but Intune is at the top right now. Previously, Workspace ONE was on the top, but now after COVID-19, Intune is way ahead from these competitors. Okay, people are uh, implementing Intune in their organizations. So these are the competitors of Intune. Now, why we should learn Intune? Okay, what is the main benefit of learning Intune? Okay, because you should know the current market value of this product plus the future of this product. So, point number one, it is a matured product. It's a matured product because it is there in the market for the past 14 years now. 14 years. Point number two, resource availability. Resources are available. So, in case if you are stuck somewhere, you just Google it out. You will get a n number of websites which will guide you how to, you know, use Intune, how to deploy application, how to, or in case if you have any problem, you are facing any issues, challenges, um, you can Google it out. There are various websites which will give you solutions how to fix those problems. So resources are available. Point number two is it is in almost all big size and medium size organization. You will find this product in almost everywhere, in almost all big size and medium size organization, wherever you go, whether you are in India, US, Canada, Australia, in Gulf countries or European countries, you will find Intune there. So because of this, you have good vacancies. People are looking for Intune administrators. Okay, you have good vacancies and you have good salary as well. So those who are working in Intune field, they are earning somewhere around, in US it is US and outside India basically, in Gulf sorry, in foreign countries, people are earning somewhere around 50 US dollar per hour. 50 US dollar per hour average salary. In India, you can average salary 800,000, 8 lakh, 8 lakh per annum average salary in India. Okay. So good vacancies, good salary, then easy to learn. Okay. You can learn this technology easily because this is very easy product. Uh, eh, you will be able to learn this technology easily. You don't have to have any prior knowledge for this. Basic computer knowledge, basic you know computer knowledge is sufficient for this Intune, how to utilize this product. Point number seven, no coding languages. No coding, no programming languages. You don't have to learn any C, C++, Java, Oracle, Python, nothing. Okay. Point number nine is good future. You can make your career in this one. Okay, because the way Intune is moving right now, you have good future. People can make their career in this technology. So Microsoft is adding features day by day in Intune. Every month they are updating Intune. Okay. So these are the things. It's a matured product, resources are available. It is implemented in almost all big size, medium size organization. Good vacancies, good salary, easy to learn, no coding, no programming languages. It has good future. Okay. These are the reasons why you should learn Intune. Now I will discuss about little bit. So this is high level information related to Intune. So Intune has various integrations like Google Play Store is there integrated in Intune. Apple tokens, TeamViewer, mobile threat defense services, then configuration manager, Windows Autopilot, Windows Defender for endpoint, Windows Auto Patch, endpoint analytics, Microsoft 365. These are the integrations in Intune. These are other separate product which are integrated into Intune already. You can deploy applications, deployment, updates, protection, removal. You can deploy and remove applications. You can manage identities, management, security, custom roles, policy assignment. Then you can deploy compliance policies, conditional access, device configuration, BYOD, and organizational owned devices. Okay, we will see these uh, in details when we do the practical. Okay, so this is like high level information for Intune. Then high level diagram. This is the high level diagram of Intune. So when you create Intune subscription, everything is by default configured. You don't have to configure anything. Unlike other technologies, for example, SCCM, everything you have to configure, like install all the prerequisites and then install applications, install uh, everything, okay, from scratch. But in Intune, everything is designed by Microsoft. You don't have to do any configuration from your side. So you just create your subscription and you are ready to go. So you will get web console like this. When you create your subscription, you get web console. In console, you have in web console, you have Intune access. Okay, so when you make any changes into Intune in your tenant, everybody will get their tenant subscription. What is tenant? Tenant is their area, their property, their space wherein they can make any changes or uh, they can make the configuration. So it is like their domain. So web console. So in the backend, we have Graph API, Graph API, this one, which understands your uh, changes, and in the backend, it will then apply those changes in Intune services inside, uh, you know, the tenant. So everything is configured by default. Like suppose if you have to configure devices, so it will configure the devices. If you have to protect data, then it will protect data like this. Then manage application, apps, line of business application, app configuration policies. Then it has integration with Microsoft Entra ID, conditional access, configuration manager, you know. So we will see this later when we do the practical, how these things are working in real world. And then you will get more understanding on this one. So this is like a high level diagram for Intune. Now, Intune is not a free product, it's a licensed product. So you have to purchase license. Okay. So in our training, we will go with the trial license, Intune trial license. So um, Microsoft Intune Plan 1, we get 30 days free trial plus 30 days extension, like 60 days total. We will get license 60 days, total 60 days license. And this license is included in these licenses. So in case if you have Microsoft 365 E5 or E3 license or any of these licenses, so by default, this license is included into these ones. Okay. Or you can take Microsoft Intune Plan 2, or you can take this one, Microsoft Intune Suite, or Microsoft Intune for Education. These are the types of licenses we have. Generally, in production environment, we go with this one, Intune Plan 1. This is the one which we take. We will take the subscription for this one. Okay. Now I will talk about the course content. So let me take you through the course content. So this is the course content. Introduction to MDM, then information on Intune versus SCCM, introduction to Intune lab and all. So there are, I think one more page is there. Yes, second page. So we will do everything practical. Okay, each one of you will have to have a practical lab. I will guide you how to create your lab, and then we will um, perform all these course outline. Now, how many days will it take to cover all these topics? So it will take 5 weekends. Okay, 5 weekends. 5 weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday plus Sunday. So Saturday we will do 2.5 hour session. Sunday 2.5 hour session. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday we will do 2.5 hour session. And the time is 10 a.m. IST, India time, 10 a.m. Okay, that is the timing and the duration of this training, guys. Okay, so I will now let you guys ask questions in case if you have. Um, so you guys can unmute yourself and speak up in case if you have any question.
Hey, Kasif, Arul here.
Yes, Arun.
So, do you have any examinations for this Kasif? Microsoft examination.
Sorry, your voice is very unclear. Can you say again, Arul?
Do we have any Microsoft examination available for this course?
Yes, exam is there. That is MD 102. MD 102. This is the exam, MD 102, endpoint management. Okay, got it? Clear or not? Any other question from anyone?
In this course, you will cover SCCM topics also.
SCCM co-management I will cover, not complete SCCM because this is not SCCM class. This is Intune.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, hi Kasif, Arvind here.
Yes,
So
Arvind.
I just wanted to understand, like, are we covering device management both with respect to your handheld devices as well as your laptop, desktops management part of these Intune?
Yes, yes. We will do
And yeah,
um, desktop laptops plus mobile devices.
okay. And most probably we'll be dealing with compliances, conditional access policies, all those stuff. Right?
Yes, we will do that.
Okay. And what about migration stuff? Like, do we cover migration scenario, something like mobile iron to Intune or any of the legacy MDM?
No, no, no.
So this will be
In
In a
mostly
post
kind of.
session,
Sorry,
sorry.
Shweta. Yeah. So mostly it will be. So mostly, is it good to say that it will be mostly on the greenfield kind of a deployment, and then
Yes,
understanding the concepts and then integrations with the existing.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
in a
Kashif,
post session, will you share recorded video?
Yeah, every day after the session, you will get the recording.
Yeah, thank you.
okay. So Kashif, over your, I have a question. Basically, like I would be deputed in one of the project which is related to Intune. So over there, we have to like work on create like everything, so everything from the scratch regarding if it is related to the creation of policies and everything. So I guess this course would cover all these things.
Yes, yes, we will do the configuration profile, we will do compliance policies. So our course is from scratch.
Okay,
So you will be able to understand those things. And we will do the practical as well.
sure. Thank you. Thanks.
Asif, is there any Microsoft examination available for this course?
Yes, I told you it's MD 102.
Okay, that's all.
Any other question from anyone?
Kashif, sir, what about the jobs? Like how do we get the jobs after the course? Like how
I
can we
will
apply?
give you I will give you question and answers, interview question and answers, plus the sample resume. You can build your resume, and you need to apply on multiple job portals like Naukri, Monster, then LinkedIn, Indeed, so that you will start getting Intune related calls.
Okay.
And Kasif, how about the fees structure? I mean, the course fees, Kasif?
For course fees and enrollment, you need to message me
Yeah.
on this number. I will write down my number 9198923543. 331. Okay, so you message me or call me on this number. I will let you know the course enrollment process, how to enroll to this course. Okay, any question apart from enrollment?
When the course will be start from next week onwards, or
Yes, I will start the course. Today was the demo session. Okay, so we will start the course from 25th is Saturday, right? Yes,
yeah,
25th uh, May, Saturday. Okay, any other question from anyone?
Where do we get all these recordings?
After each session, I will upload the recording. Okay, and I will share the link with you guys. You can get those recordings online. Okay.
Okay.
This recording can we get lifelong?
Yes, lifetime.
Okay.
Kaushif, just want to check with you, like, is there any possibility like we can get the MD102 downs post the
Yes,
session?
you will get terms as well.
Okay.
Kayu, what is the validity of MD102 certificate? And
1 year.
suppose if I'm 1 year. Okay, fine. One more question that I have, that the certification, if I'm doing it through my TCS credentials, so I'm getting some kind of discount. So what is preferable, to get it done from the TCS account or to get it done from like my personal account?
Get it done from the TCS. Now they are giving some discounts and coupons.
But that would be valid only until I'm in the TCS. Like once I'll move out of TCS,
No,
that would
no,
not be.
no, no, no. Mm, It's not the case.
Okay.
They are just giving coupons, right? So either you
Uh,
utilize coupons or you pay.
Basically, what I have got to know, like I have not applied it anywhere right now. So what I have got to know, that while enrolling for this certification, so they ask for the credentials, and there we have to add the TCS email ID as the credential. Then only I'll
Oh,
be able to avail the discount.
okay.
So that
Mm.
is one of the problem. That is what I wanted to check on,
But
whether
once you
it's
download your certificate, for example, after you clear your exam, you will download
Mhm.
your certificate and you'll keep your certificate. Then it's well and good, right? You will not be able to access the certificate again because it's the TCS ID, but
Okay.
you will have the certificate.
And what is the process of renewing it? Suppose if it's of 1 year, then in case if I have to renew it after 1 year, again I'll have to go through that, like taking the exam again, or is it so that we have any option to renew it?
You will have Microsoft keep on changing the exam pattern and question and answer, so you will have to take the exam again. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, what about the eligibility of this course? Like, is there any degree, something related to the IT or what?
Any graduate.
Okay. So it means we'll not face any issue if we are from the outside of the IT.
Yeah, yeah. Whether you come from a commerce background or science background, anything, that's okay. So as long as you are graduate, I think you are eligible for, Intune administrator.
Okay.
Any other question from anyone?
One query, Kashif, I have. Suppose if you're keeping the classes on weekends, and by any means, like if I'm not able to attend the class, or if I'm able to attend the class after some time, because obviously on Saturdays and Sundays we have to, like, we have other commitments as well. If I talk about myself, I have to go to my daughter's school also sometimes. So in that case, the recordings would be provided so that I can go
Yes.
through that.
Yes, recording will be provided.
And Kaustubh, if you have any questions, how we can get the answers, like with the chat group, or we have to call you, or how?
Yeah, put the question in the chat group. I'll create a chat group, separate chat group for the enrolled students, and then we will keep
Okay,
the chat on. Yeah.
thanks.
Okay, guys. So this is my number in case if you would like to enroll to this course. Those who are interested, you can message me on this number. I will let you know the enrollment process, and we will start this course from 25th of May, Saturday, 10 a.m. India time. Saturday, 2.5 hour session. Sunday, 2.5 hour session. And um, you need to um, enroll to this course before 25th of this May. So I hope the session was informative, and I have given.
If I want to talk, so like, will you be taking the fees in one shot, or will you take it in installments?
I can give you 2 installments. That's not a problem. So we can discuss that on the call
Yeah,
or
sure.
chat
Okay.
itself. Okay. Thank you. We'll see you again, guys. Thank you. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Thanks.